Good evening, everyone. This is Naveen Suruha. We are today. I'm going to show you one of my another tool, which is also based on geometry and some cycle concept. It's also denoting by the cycles, and it's based on equilateral triangle. So, what is the equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle have all the angles, each angles denoted to be 60 degree. Means if you draw a triangle, let me check. If you draw a triangle, any triangle. So, what is the difference between any triangle and equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle, every swing denote to be 60 degree. This one may be left, right, up and down. All are the 60 degree angles. So, how you can draw the all 60 degree angles? It's a offset angles. Okay, suppose we have a tool. Equilateral triangle is a very cheap cost tool. 660 is our price for this tool. If anybody don't want to buy, so they can draw the manually. Okay, so let's see how it can be performed and how it can be helped to find out the turning points. We covered the different topics today, and it works everywhere and it's work every time frame. You can use any time frame daily, because of I don't need a more smaller turning point, so that's why I takes a daily time frame. But you can apply on 30 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, or whenever, whatever you want. So let's start it. Don't waste the time. Basically, the part of this video we are covering for all our geometry tool. Means if you are buyer, already you got tools, Gann square, Gann box, and circle, as well as equilateral triangle. So how you apply all the tools? You always keep in mind there is more important is a lower close. This value is a lower close. This one. It's a lower close, it's a higher close. So these point also important instead of highest high, this one, and lowest low, this one. Also, yeah, these are also important. I'm not denied these points, but you also apply these for finding out the another turning points. Okay, let's start. Don't waste the time. Suppose this is the lowest low close. Okay, and this one is the highest high close. So it's 75, and right now you can draw the triangle. See, this one is an important one. Okay, you find a 1 point value, suppose here to here. Okay, don't worry, it's a mid part of this candle, because of uh, candles and this zoom. So that's why it's maybe it's not a correct point. So see, that's a correct point, and it's also on the same bar. Okay, so how you find out the another values? Means what is the next turning point? See the midpoint of the triangle height. This is a midpoint. Okay, what happened here also? So take a look. This one is also a turning point. This one also a turning point. Okay. So what is the angle? See the 48.6 degree angle from lower close to higher close. And what is the next angle? 288.6 and 348.6. Okay, so on left you can see if any calculation error or anything else. So there is no error in the calculations, so you can find out easily. Okay, this one is first wing. See the first highest high and the lowest low. It's also maybe happen is a lower close. It's a close about 35,35866. 35,358, 35,599. Sorry, 35 triple three, which is the lowest one. Okay, no issue. So right now we also try to apply another one. See the another swing is denoted something here, which is the dozy bar. Okay, so Let's go to move here. Highest high, lowest low. Let me delete all one. Just scroll the chart, it's automatically appear and as reset. What happened here? This is a lowest low. Okay. Now, very important tool. How to consider this one is a daily time frame and it's a high 1 to 3rd day market close the highest. So it's also important value like here. So we just find out the point here. It takes automatically. See, both are the same points. So you have a double confirmation how to find out the turning point. You have a double confirmation here to here. Right now, see, the market is running here and maybe you got a this swing and after that you find this one with another one. Okay, no matter, but market is running now. So they have a turning point here and here with the previous triangle, whatever we draw. Okay, right now what happened? See, the find out the midpoint from here to here. See what happened. This is a highest high. So you got excellent confirmation where is the next turning point. Okay, so you don't need to wait a close of this candle. It's already you have a turning point from here. When the low breaks out, same candle immediately enter the trade. Okay, go to similar like that here. If market close a high, a market breaks a high, immediately go for a trade. Okay, now the another point we got these high and low. Now we gonna forward. We go forward for this one. This one is a higher close. This one is a lower close. This one is a lower close. Obviously, what you got here? It's a BST. It's a Bitcoin chart and daily time frame. Okay. Now we are going to plot here. Next look. Okay. Similar because it's not a low. Next day again market gets here. So go forward. It's lowest low and find out the way where the right now market is running. Okay, so already we draw yesterday. Okay, we have a turning point and see what we did. I make a screenshot. The Bitcoin big bull coming. The price is 37989 something. So obviously yesterday we predict then tomorrow market will start going up. Okay, so it's a basic concept about equilateral triangle. Only if you have equilateral triangle, you can find out the every turning point. And also the midpoint is also important from here to here. See, okay. So you have a lots of confirmation from this side to this low. It's a zone difference, no worry. It's a center point of that. It's a mid time. Okay, and this one to this one. Showing tomorrow. Okay, here is also. So you got one interesting point in that case. See if it is from here to here, what you got again this side. Okay, so you don't also again same situation whatever we found here. It's a midpoint of that. Okay, because it's not taken here, so you see there. Okay, so every midpoint also important when you draw the triangles, and if we are to look at that. This one is the highest high here, and lowest close, higher close and lower close. I'm just trying to do something. See the turning point here. Sorry, it's not a midpoint. If it is, so see the turning point is similar like here. Midpoint of that. Market one day turned. 50% is obviously is some for minor swings, but 100% for the major swings. If you draw the major swing, you got a major swing. If you draw minor swing, obviously you got a minor swings. Okay, so today market is moving from here to here is almost 1,000 points. No worry. So there is a point how to draw the triangle and also consider the higher close and lower close with our geometry tool. You are going to draw the square. Here is a square, and if you need to draw something like that, so you need to be consider this is the lowest low with a lower close, and this one is highest high and higher close. So it's good for you. You got a excellent turning points and excellent values everywhere. See, here is a higher close. This one is a highest high bar where the close is greater than others, and it's a lowest low as we found out the moment. Delete previous and I just draw the square. So this point also considerable, but need to consider the lowest low and lower close and higher close. Lowest low close, highest high close. Okay, hope everybody understand about the concept. I think these are the free tool. Everybody can apply equilateral triangle with offset angles, 60-degree offset angles, and it's a very precious tools to find out the major turning point. And it's a part of our cycle concept and cycle course, which is also a very nominal cost as I describe to my YouTube subscribers and my Facebook followers. These are all way. So a $660 cost, and in between 2-3 tools are free of cost, which is worth of 200. So approximate $400 for the course of cycle trading. We cover the equilateral triangle, some another cycle concept like we measure by the trend line, we measure by the mathematical calculation, we measured by the circle 360 and all the cycle concept, which is very useful in your trading for your analysis, for your technical analysis. Without any tool, without anything, if you don't have anything, how to trade and how to work with the cycle, how to calculate the cycle, all are the part of our course. So thank you guys. I think everybody understand. If anybody wants to buy, go the link below, which is placed on YouTube with same video. Where is the equilateral triangle? I posted at here equilateral triangle somewhere. A 75 tool. Let me check. I think it's, I don't know where it is. This one. Yes, it is. Why it's not showing here? Profile. There's products. Okay, go to this one is a, okay, sorry. This one is a equilateral triangle. So the cost is 66 USD lifetime.